me and many others with the energy to do more than what we think we can do. So, I thank you for this raw innocence as well as the respect you pay us, and also I take this moment to wish you a very happy Children's Day. As you can see, my respected colleagues and I are conducting this assembly. I would request you to get into prayer position. Determination is the quality that bears out every day, and so it has to be reinforced on daily basis with some rituals. So I request Madam Principal to lead us in observing pledge.
Good morning, everyone. Stretch your right arm and repeat after me. India is my country. And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am.
Stand it is.
A very simple but nonetheless true statement is, we become what we think about. It is of paramount importance to start the day on a positive note. So, I request Ms. Amrita and Ms. Richa Dubey to share with us today's thought.
To be successful in life, what you need is education. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। सबसे पहले आप सभी प्यारे बच्चों को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। अब मैं इस सुविचार को हिंदी में दोहराती हूँ। शिक्षा जीवन का मूल आधार है। धन्यवाद।
It is said that knowledge is power. What if that power is delivered to you in an amazing way? Now, I request Mr. Javed to reveal today's amazing facts.
Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear students, good morning to all of you. First of all, I wishing you all happy Children's Day. Today's amazing facts are, like fingerprints, everyone's tongue print is different. I repeat it. Like fingerprints, everyone's tongue print is different. Second thought, if you sneeze too hard, you can fracture rib. If you try to suppress a sneeze, you can rupture blood vessels in your mind and neck.
Thank you so much. It is essential to know history so that we may learn from it and avoid the pitfalls in our life journey. Therefore, I request Ms. Shaheen to enlighten us with the importance of the day.
थैंक यू तहसीन मैम। आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय, शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे बच्चों,
आप सबको मैं सबसे पहले बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। आज हम सभी यहाँ बाल दिवस मनाने के लिए ही एकत्र हुए हैं। सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी कि 14 नवंबर को बाल दिवस क्यों मनाया जाता है। बच्चों, 14 नवंबर को हमारे महान भारतीय स्वतंत्रता सेनानी और भारत के पहले प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू का जन्म हुआ था। जवाहरलाल नेहरू बच्चों से बेहद प्यार करते थे और बच्चे भी उन्हें चाचा नेहरू के नाम से बुलाते थे। इसलिए उनके सम्मान में हर वर्ष 14 नवंबर यानी उनकी जयंती को बाल दिवस के तौर पे मनाया जाता है। पंडित नेहरू कहते थे, आज के बच्चे कल के भारत का निर्माण करेंगे। बच्चे ही इस देश का भविष्य हैं, इसलिए ज़रूरी है कि उनकी शिक्षा और कल्याण पर विशेष ध्यान दिया जाए। हम जितने बेहतर तरीके से बच्चों की देखभाल करेंगे, राष्ट्र निर्माण भी उतना ही बेहतर होगा। बाल दिवस समारोह का आयोजन ही भविष्य के निर्माण में बच्चों के महत्व को बताता है। बच्चे राष्ट्र की बहुमूल्य संपत्ति होने के साथ ही भविष्य और कल की उम्मीदें हैं, इसलिए उनकी उचित देखभाल और प्यार उन्हें मिलना चाहिए। भारत के आज़ाद होने के बाद बच्चों के विकास के लिए सरकार ने बहुत सी उनकी शिक्षा और कल्याण के लिए योजनाएं बनाई, लेकिन आज भी बहुत से बच्चों को उनका अधिकार नहीं मिल पाता है। बाल दिवस का अर्थ पूर्ण रूप से तब तक सार्थक नहीं हो सकता जब तक कि हमारे हर बच्चे को उनके मौलिक अधिकारों की प्राप्ति न हो जाए। बाल शोषण, बाल मजदूरी, इन सभी का पूरी तरह से खात्मा होना चाहिए। आर्थिक कारणों के कारण कोई भी बच्चा शिक्षा पाने से वंचित नहीं रहना चाहिए। बाल कल्याण के लिए जो चल रही योजनाएं हैं, उन तक का लाभ बच्चों को पहुंचना चाहिए। आइए बाल दिवस के अवसर पर हम सब मिलकर बाल अधिकारों के प्रति जागरूकता फैलाएं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, ma'am. A growing mind is an aware mind, and awareness comes when you say things and understand how things work. For this, I request Ms. Richa Mishra, our coordinator ma'am, to divulge the current happenings of importance. Thank you so much. What is more fun than when you are asked a question and you can give its answer? It is one of the most interesting part of our assembly. For this, I request Mr. Shobnath to go ahead with today's quiz. A special edition for today's assembly will now be delivered to you in the form of a moral story. Now, I request Mr. Gurrez to come up front and narrate it to this wide audience. Thank you so much, Gurrez sir, for the wonderful lesson. Everyone puts in effort into things they value. It is those whose efforts are guided who often reach their destination. Now, I request our guiding hand, our lighthouse, our respected Madam Principal, to now take the mic and address the assembly.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to extend my gratitude towards my staff for this lovely assembly. It's always nice to come up here and be in the position of the students. I know it's taking time. You can bear with us. Kal aap pure din isi mausam mein the. It's even colder today. So, wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Every year we wish you, we take one day out to specially wish you. But I always say one thing, that we think of you every day of the year, every minute of the day. All the teachers, all of us, and sometimes I do claim, and I proudly claim here, and I'm going on record and I'm speaking from this podium, that sometimes we even think more than your parents think about you. We are your well-wishers, children. Remember one thing, अभी सर ने कुछ बताया था कि नन्हे कदम से आगे बढ़ के सुनहरा भविष्य बनाएंगे, something like that. और दो चीज़ें और आपने सुनी कि जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने ही वॉज देयर ऑन द फर्स्ट इन लाहौर कांग्रेस सेशन। आपको मालूम है कि जवाहरलाल नेहरू और मोतीलाल नेहरू के बीच में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हुआ था इस बात को लेके। इनकी डिमांड थी पूर्ण स्वराज और उन लोगों ने यस देन ये फादर सन डू। देन एक और था हु इज द चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ द कंट्री, द प्रेजेंट चीफ जस्टिस Chandrachud is the son of the present Chief Justice is the son of the previous Chief Justice. His father was also the Chief Justice of the country. So you see that it's very proud to see your children move ahead in life. I always say one thing. I have reached my maximum over here. I have no zeal to achieve anything else other than giving a better life, a better future, better education and better teaching conditions to you people. And like Gulrez sir said, it's a natural instinct of everybody to study, to learn. आज का सुविचार भी यही था. If you need to be successful in life, only education be the path. So children, never forget this. You may see money coming from various ways, but respect comes from only one way. If you get educated, if you are disciplined, if you are courteous, humble and polite towards others. If you do not show respect, then sometimes people might be quiet for reasons, but then you lose that kind of respect. Don't do that. और जब आप कभी डांट, मैं कई बार बच्चों से पूछती हूँ।
Thank you so much, ma'am. And it is really the proud thing that our students are better than us.
Class, attention. Stand it is. Attention.
Now, it is time to repeat that anthem which unites us despite having cultural, lingual and religious diversity.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
There is no end to the adventure we can have if only we seek them with our eyes open. With these inspiring lines of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, I wish you a great day ahead. The assembly is now dispersed. Now you may go back to your respective classes. Thank you and have a nice day.
Class.